Troubleshooting and repairing a blue screen of death, BSOD. 1. Identify the error code. Step 1. When the BSOD appears, take note of the error code and any file names mentioned. For example, you might see something like irql_not_less_ or _equal or a file like niskrl.exe. Step 2. Write down or take a photo of the error code and any relevant details. 2. Restart your computer. Step 1. Perform a clean reboot by pressing Ctrl+Alt+Delete or Alt+F4 to open the shutdown menu. Step 2. Select Restart from the options. If your system cannot restart normally, turn off the power, wait a few seconds, and turn it back on. 3. Boot into safe mode. Step 1. Restart your computer and repeatedly press F8, or Shift+F8 on some systems, during the boot process to access the Advanced Boot Options menu. Step 2. Select Safe Mode from the menu. 4. Check for recent changes. Step 1. If the BSOD appeared after installing new software or drivers, uninstall or roll back these changes. Step 2. Open Control Panel programs and features and uninstall any recent software. Step 3. Open Device Manager by right-clicking on this PC or my computer, selecting Manage, and then Device Manager. Find any recent drivers and choose to roll them back or uninstall. 5. Update drivers. Step 1. In Safe Mode, open Device Manager. Step 2. Right-click on any devices with warning icons and select Update Driver. Step 3. Follow the prompts to search for updated drivers automatically. 6. Check for hardware issues. Step 1. Ensure all hardware components are properly connected. This includes RAM, hard drives, and external devices. Step 2. Use built-in diagnostic tools, like Windows Memory Diagnostic, to test hardware components. You can access this tool by typing Windows Memory Diagnostic in the Start menu and following the prompts. 7. Scan for malware. Step 1. In Safe Mode, run a full system scan using your antivirus software. Step 2. Remove any detected threats and restart your computer. 8. Perform a system restore. Step 1. Access System Restore by typing Create a Restore Point in the Start menu and selecting the corresponding option. Step 2. Click on System Restore and follow the prompts to revert your system to a point before the BSOD started occurring. 9. Check for Windows updates. Step 1. Open Settings Update and Security Windows Update. Step 2. Check for updates and install any available updates. 10. Repair system files. Step 1. Open CMD as an admin by typing CMD in the Start menu, right-clicking on CMD, and selecting Run as Administrator. Step 2. Run the System File Checker tool by typing sfc/scan now and enter. Allow it to complete and follow any instructions provided. 11. Perform a clean boot. Step 1. Open System Configuration by typing sconfig in the Start menu and pressing Enter. Step 2. On the Services tab, check Hide all Microsoft services and then click Disable all. Step 3. Go to the Startup tab and click Open Task Manager. Disable all startup items. Step 4. Restart your computer and see if the BSOD persists. 12. Seek professional help. If the BSOD continues after trying these steps, consider contacting a professional technician or the support service for your computer's manufacturer.